The SEMA Leaders and Legends Gala is unique because it's one of the few places that you can come to and interact with legitimate legends in our industry.
The Summer Gala is so exciting for us. It's a chance for us to inaugurate our incoming board members and get them acclimated to a board meeting, and then say thanks to the board members that are leaving us.
My favorite part about coming to SEMA for this event is seeing all my old friends and meeting the new generation of young people here.
One of the things that happens here tonight is a recognition of Hall of Fame inductees. Not only are we talking about the 4 current inductees, but the room is going to be full of previous Hall of Fame inductees going back decades.
We have the most passionate people, and by bringing all the different segments together and getting as much representation to support SEMA, to bring their energy and their ideas and their connection to the market, that's what makes it work.
And SEMA was always there to represent our needs and to provide resources to us so that we could do business more effectively.
From a business standpoint, SEMA is so important. There is strength in numbers.
We're only as strong as our numbers, and the more they step up, the more they volunteer, the stronger we'll be, the stronger we are, and it'll propel us into the next generation, into the next century.
We've got to have that passion in our industry to be what SEMA needs to be.